So now we will see object fit property in CSS. So guys, basically the CSS object fit property is used to specify how an image or the video should be resized to fit its container, and this we are going to check with the help of examples as well. We are going to see how we can set the image fit property for the img tag over here. So guys, there are various values for the object fit property in CSS. The default value for the object fit is fill. The image is resized to fill the given dimension over here, and if necessary the image will be stretched or squished to fit. So guys, let us check this with the help of example in VS Code over here. We will remove the previous lines of code that we had written in the HTML and the CSS files in this case, and then simply we are going to have the div with the class container over here. Now guys, inside this container we are going to set the img tag in this case, and we are going to take the sample image that is already present in our directory where we have saved the HTML and the CSS files over here. Now guys, apart from this we will also set the alt attribute as test image in this case. Let me just save this file now, and apart from this we will also set the style for the img tag so that we can set the width and height properties for the image. So guys, let us say we have 300 pixels as width in this case and 200 pixels as height for the AMG. So guys, let me just set the width and height over here. Let me just save this file now and try reloading this page on the browser. So as you can see, this is the image that is getting displayed over here. Now guys, since the image is present inside the container, let us provide certain background color for the container as well apart from the padding property. So what we will do is, for the div tag that is having the class container over here, we will set certain CSS properties. So guys, let me just copy this class name over here. So we use the dot character followed by the class name, and then what we will do is we will have the background color as yellow color over here. And then apart from this, since the display value is block by default for the div container, we are going to set the display as inline over here, and then apart from this we will also set the padding as 20 pixels. So guys, these CSS properties will help us in order to see the background color of the container as yellow apart from the image that is already present inside this container. So let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, we are getting some background color for this particular div tag as well. Now guys, instead of setting the display as inline, we will set it as inline block over here. Let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, we have some kind of spacing over here after the image because of the padding property that we have already set to 20 pixels in this case. Now guys, we will see the different values of the object fit property while we are setting it to the img tag over here. So let us move to the style.css file in this case, and then we are going to set the object fit CSS property as fill over here, which is the default value in this case. Let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. You will notice that there is no change right now. That's because this is the default value of the object fit CSS property. Now guys, apart from this, we have the second value that is cover, in which case the image keeps its aspect ratio and fills the given dimension. The image will be clipped to fit over here. So guys, let us check this as well. So inside the style.css file, we will set the value as cover over here, and let us see what will be the changes on the image. So let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, there is no change right now. That's because the width and height of this image has been set in such a way that the cover value will not make any changes over here. So guys, what we will do is, let us decrease the width of this particular image to 200 pixels over here. Let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, the cover value of the object fit CSS property is helping us in order to scale the image in such a way that the entire image can be seen within the width and height that we have already set. Now guys, apart from this, we also have something called as contain, in which case the image keeps its aspect ratio but is resized to fit within the given dimension. So guys, let us check this as well. So what will happen when we set the value as contain over here? Let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. If you notice, the entire image is getting displayed over here. The entire width has been taken up by the image, but the height of the image is reduced. So guys, what will happen is, the original image is getting displayed over here to the max width or the max height in such a way that no information should be lost while displaying the image. So guys, you can use this this particular value that is contained for the object fit. Apart from this, we have the next value that is none, in which case the image is not resized over here. So guys, let us check that as well. What will happen over here when we set it as none? So when we set the value as none, let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. As you can see, the image is of original size, and then within this particular width and height, the specific region of the image is getting displayed. So guys, in this way, the none value works for the object fit over here. And then apart from this, we have the last value that is scaled down. The image is scaled down to the smallest version of none or contain. So guys, either the none value or the contain value will be used when we use the scale down values. So let us check this as well. So over here, we can set it to scale down in this case. Let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, the contain value is getting used over here and the entire image is getting displayed for the width and height that we have already set. Now guys, in this case, the width has been 200 pixels, but the height that is being used over here is less compared to 200 pixels that we have used, since the entire image is getting displayed over here without any loss of information. So guys, in this way, you can use the different values of the object fit CSS properties based on your requirements. So comment in the comment section below whether you have learned something out of this video. Please make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to the channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. The next video that we are going to talk about is object position property in CSS. So stay tuned.